Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone lagging issue after iOS 26 update. If you're using any iPhone and you have updated your iPhone through iOS 26 or you are having lagging issues, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to reset all of your, you have to close all of your recent apps here. And once you have closed, you have to make a force restart your phones. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. So you must have to wait for it. And here, wait for Apple logo. Once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's turned on. And once your phone has been turned on, you can continue your next step. Here you just have to unlock your phone and then you just have to open your settings, go for general, then go for background app refresh, and from here you just have to turn it off as I already turned off, or you can disable the setting for some specific apps which you don't want to turn on or run in background. Or the next step is that you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your apps. So open your app store and here simply tap on your profile in the top right corner, and here you will get if you have any pending updates. Here you can see I have some pending updates, so you just have to try to update your apps from here, and once you have updated it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't, you just have to select or you have to reduce motions. So now to reduce motion you have to go to for settings, and here you have to go for accessibility, and from here you just have to look for motion, then you'll enable this reduce motion option. And once you have enabled reduce motion, it will reduce all the motions of your phone. It will fix the lagging issue, and after that you have to turn off or reduce your phone's transparency. So open your settings app again, and here you just have to go for accessibility and then select display and text size, and here you just have to look for the option of reduce transparency. So you can easily turn it on. It will reduce the transparency of your phone and it will help you to fix the lagging issues. Or the next is you have to disable the background app refresh, which we have already disabled, and the next option is you have to check for storage space. So you just have to go back, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you have up to 10 to 15 gigabyte free in your space to run your phone well. So after that you have to check your battery health. So go back and open battery, then go for battery health, and from here you have to make sure that your battery health is good or normal, or if you have any weak option here, so you have to try to exchange your battery. And after that, if you still have the same issue, so it will almost fix in the next step or next update of your iOS, or you can check for latest updates. Open general, go for software updates, and here you will get if you have any pending updates or if you get try to update into your phone. So in this way you can easily fix the lagging issues after iOS 26 update. Or here's the last way to fix that issue: to downgrade your phone to back to iOS 18 or 17 or less than for stable use. So in this way you can easily fix how to fix the lagging issue after iOS 26 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.